Well, hello, fellow radio wave riders and my homebrew morning crew. Something exciting just hit the sidewalk here in front of the house. Came from Amazon. Not pushing Amazon, but that's where I had to get it. It's the TECSUN 2P3 radio kit. It is a build your own AM radio kit. So let's do a little bit of an unboxing right now and take a look. It's not much of an unboxing. You gotta build it yourself. So let's take a look, see what's inside here. Oh, yeah! Wow! Looks like we have our housing, some components here. We're gonna have to do some soldering, some building. A little tool, battery cage, motherboard, circuitry. Wow, maybe some buttons. There's our antenna, our AM antenna. Wow, I think it's both antennas. This looks super exciting. Holy moly. I'm excited about this. If it's something that looks to be up your alley, let's see what we got here. Okay, wow. There's a little bit of a history. I'm not going to read that to you. I'm going to leave it here. You can take a look at it. You can pause. Wow, looks so cool. So like I said, Amazon, you can get your hands on one of those if you'd like. I'll open it up again. Oh, it's my first look. It's just like Christmas. In fact, maybe I should wait until the holidays for this. I can think of a couple people I'd like to give it to. Maybe I should do that. Share that same joy. It's just brought me right now. If you can't get one, we just got to take a look at one. I might give this one to maybe someone I love. But man, this looks exciting. I might keep it for myself too. Take care. 73. Bye-bye.